Hello and welcome to the Growth Hack Workshop for Cleaning Businesses. I'm John Braun. I'll be your host. Now, the first thing that I want you to do is to make sure that you're signed up for my free Facebook marketing group. Here you'll be joined with over 5,000 other cleaning company owners and managers where the whole goal is to grow your cleaning business. So do that now. The link should be right here below this video. Little bit about me. I've been in the cleaning industry for about 24 years. For the last 14 years, I've done coaching and marketing consulting for cleaning companies. I've written for the big trade magazines, CleanFacts, ICS Magazine. I've also spoke at the big trade show expos in Las Vegas, the Experience Expo, and I've written 2 best-selling books on Amazon. You can go look those up. But enough about me. Let's talk about you and your cleaning business. First, will this work for your cleaning business? Because if it doesn't, if this is not you, you might get a few things out of what I'm about to say, but if it's not you, you can go ahead and bounce and you'll understand that this is not directly related to you and your cleaning business. This is for local cleaning companies, mostly with less than 4 locations. So if you've got 4 or more locations, there are some things that you might get out of what I'm about to say, but largely this is not the way that you want to go about growing your cleaning business. Also, mostly carpet cleaning, water restoration, tile cleaning, area rug cleaning, window cleaning, pressure washing, hardwood refinishing, janitorial, commercial cleaning, all types of commercial cleaning, and maid services. Maybe some other types of cleaning businesses as well, but predominantly this is the type of cleaning business that we're going to be talking about here in this course. So what are we going to cover? There are going to be 5 short videos, including this one, where we're going to go over the overall internet marketing process for cleaning companies. We're going to talk about hacks that you can use to get rapid results right now in your cleaning business, and you're going to see how to get prospective customers to find you, what they do, how they go about finding you, and why these things work 100% of the time. This is not something that's speculatory. This is something that works 100% of the time, and it's real. We're also going to show you how you can get help with doing some of this stuff if you need it. At the end, you're going to be able to get a copy of this actual PDF that I'm showing you right now, so you can take notes, but just letting you know you're going to get that copy. So click the link below this video, go to the next video, let's dive right in.